Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to scan ID cards, receipts and notes with Adobe Scan. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to scan ID cards, receipts and notes with Adobe Scan, the first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up your Adobe Scan application. Then once you're inside there, you'll be sent to the home page or the home screen of the Adobe Scan. Now here what you need to do is choose what to scan. Adobe Scan works well with ID cards, driver license, passport, student ID, receipts, shopping bills, invoices and notes, handwritten or printed notes or sticky notes. Then next is to simply tap on the scan button or the camera icon right here on the bottom and then select create scan. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is position your document or item on the flat surface, and Adobe Scan will auto-detect edges and capture the image, causes corners, and crop if needed. Or you can also simply tap on multiple pages option on the top, and there you'll be able to add places for multiple items. Then some of the tips are scan ID cards separately for clarity, scan receipts in good lighting to capture details, and notes can be handwritten or typed, OCR can extract text. The next step is to enhance your scan. Adobe Scan automatically improves quality, but you can either crop or rotate images. Then you can also simply adjust color by simply tapping on the filters, and if you want to make it a black and white, then simply select the grayscale option that will apply black and white color, and then once you are satisfied, simply tap on the option that says save to PDF, and then once that's done, your scan is saved in the document cloud. And here you can share via email, messaging apps or cloud storage by simply tapping on the share option, and you can name PDFs clearly, like example ID card receipt by simply tapping on the more option. Then you'll find an option that says rename right here, and you can name it either ID card receipt or anything that fits your purpose. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.